Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make a current backup and plug the laptop into power so updates can't be interrupted. Once done, open Settings, then Update and Security to start. This makes sure Windows can download and stage files. Make sure you have about 20% free disk space so installations won't fail, and pause non-critical apps to reduce conflicts. If on a metered connection, temporarily disable it so updates download without cost limits. You now let Windows check for and download updates. Click Check for Updates and watch downloads proceed. Once updates appear, prioritize security and cumulative updates. Optional drivers can wait unless needed. Make sure to review restart settings. You can pick Restart Now or schedule a time so your work isn't lost. While installing, Windows may reboot several times. That's normal because the system applies changes in stages to avoid corrupting files. You complete the process by reviewing update history in Settings to confirm everything installed correctly. This shows error codes if something failed. If you encounter problems, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which checks services and repair components automatically. Make sure to try a restart, and then, if failures persist, boot to safe mode to remove problematic drivers or use system, restore to revert to a stable point. This reduces risk of data loss while
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.